Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos in your gallery in your Samsung Galaxy M33. First of all, open your gallery, standard application on this phone. Then go into your albums and select some photos what you wanna hide. So maybe select this one, press and hold and select. Then for hide these photos, tap more option on the bottom right corner and choose move to secure folder. Okay, we got success message that moving items to secure folder. And now find our secure folder apps and go into open here gallery, and here we got all our hide photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.